So you go away from step, right?
Yes. Yeah.
And what is this new thing, and why is important to do it, and how are we going to benefit of this?
Yeah, I think it's the going away from step was not an objective itself. I mean, it's not that long ago that we said we can still do this in step technology, and then also the threshold, the change isn't that radical, and we can keep the threshold low and use the same geometry kernel, et cetera, et cetera. But eventually, yeah, like I said, we got inspired by a lot of different things. I think in Poland, I showed you this slide as well, where you have the current IFC, you have JSON, the JavaScript object notation format. There's ECS, Entity Component System, which is something that is widely used with a lot of software developers in our industry. And this USD format, Universal Scene Description, is also something that brings use cases and workflows that we really want, like incremental updates, like coordinating on the same data with multiple people, where you can really share different opinions and coordinate on that. So the JSON format was chosen more like out of convenience because a lot of tools support it. And then at least we can start talking about the core principles, and we have something to exchange and talk about. So it's easy to talk about JSON when it's on screen because everyone can read it with an idea like, okay, that's not going to be the final format, but at least we can move on and we can decide on something else later.
Okay.